How to find Binance User ID in Binance app. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your user ID in the Binance app. But before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is open up your Binance app. If you have not logged in into your account, make sure that you log in into your account. After you do that, what you'll need to do is just be on the first page of Binance, and on the top left hand side you should see the Binance logo. Tap on it, and after you tap on it you will see your user ID. Now it's the one right above here, it's called ID. If you want to copy it, you can simply tap on it and it will just get copied. As you can see, it says copy successful. And yeah, this is basically how you can find your Binance user ID in the Binance app. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.